20 beautiful succulent displays for outdoor landscaping. Succulent styles for landscaping are a great method to add a unique and low-maintenance touch to your outdoor areas. Succulents are versatile and low-maintenance plants that can be used in a range of outdoor landscaping designs. They come in a large range of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them easy to integrate into any outdoor space. Some popular outdoor succulent displays consist of rock gardens, wall gardens, hanging gardens, terrariums, topiaries, and living fences. With a little imagination and planning, succulent designs can add distinct and low-maintenance charm to any outdoor landscaping task. It's important to choose the succulents that are appropriate for the conditions of your outdoor area and to make sure they have proper drainage, sunlight, and fertilization. Succulents can be a fantastic addition to any outdoor landscaping project, adding color, texture, and unique character to your outdoor areas. Colorful terraced succulent garden. Link walkway cactus design. Old fire pit succulent garden. Side wall succulent garden. Blue pebble stone succulent garden. Raised bed succulent and cactus garden. Succulent pot planters garden. Vertical pallet succulent garden. Fire pit desert cactus garden. Front porch by the stairway. With a little imagination and planning, succulent designs can add distinct and low-maintenance charm to any outdoor landscaping task. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.